Welcome back, everybody. Today we are at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort in room 2360. This is a preferred 2-queen room. Let's go check it out. This is a 2-queen room. It is laid out beautifully. It is very Caribbean beach-esque, but in my opinion, I think it's laid out better. Let me know in the comments what you think. As soon as we come in, directly through the door, there's your chair, and you'll see a bunch of touches of the Three Caballeros. It's got a very Mexican vibe. I love it. It's really bright, it's fun, it's energetic, but it's also beautiful. There's also a huge window right here. Our room specifically looks over the pool. It's bright, it's open. I love it. I don't really know what else to say. It's a window. Coming into the room directly to my right, there is a massive amount of counter space, which is great if you're charging a bunch of electronics. There's plugs all down it. You got all the room. At the very end is your coffee station. These drawers underneath, well, there are no drawers. There's no drawers underneath. Right here's your coffee station. All of your coffee amenities are directly next to it. In a lot of resorts, they have coffee drawer underneath. This is not one of them. Underneath it is the beverage cooler with a very loud squeaky cabinet. Above is your ice chest. You also have your Hey Disney. No, not this time. The beds here are spectacular, super fluffy, super comfortable. I could sleep like a baby for all of 4 hours before you get up and park hop again, but that is neither here nor there. In between the beds is where we have our charging station. We have 2 plugs and 2 USBs on either side of the bed, and of course, your telephone. Underneath though, this is interesting, is where they have the safe. Let me know if you've seen that in the comments below. I also want to mention that there is a fan in this room. A lot of Disney resorts don't have overtop fans, and that's incredible. All the AC. Give me all the breeze. I like it. Down here at the end, plenty of storage. Anything you want to unpack, you can unpack it in these drawers. But right behind these doors, you got more storage. Let's go check it out. Buenos tardes, mi amigos. Vámonos. This is the bathroom portion, and it is super spacious, super bright. Right here, directly to the right, is where you have your big stand-up closet. It holds everything that you could want. It also has your steamer, your extra pillow, your blankets, and your hangers. This also is a dual vanity. Comes with all of your Disney Resort amenities. Just like any resort, plenty of shelving, plenty of storage. And it also has the inlaid lighting vanity mirror if you really need to get ready. But trust me, you look beautiful already. I see you. This is the washroom area, plenty of space. The textured glass. The textured glass is a great touch. It feels really bright, but you still get that privacy feeling. Love that. As you can see, I'm 6'11 and a half feet tall, so I mean, you got plenty of room. Not actually 6'11 and a half, but don't tell my wife. It, just like all of the other Disney resorts, has the H2O Plus, or formerly known as H2O Plus Disney Resort, shampoos and conditioners and body washes. Smells incredible. I love it. It's my favorite thing about staying at a Disney resort. And that about wraps up our room tour here at Disney Coronado Springs Resort. Let us know if you've stayed here. If you did, what type of room did you have? If you haven't stayed here, let us know in the comments. Would you stay here? Because I think it's beautiful. The smell is great. The vibes are immaculate. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out this small channel. Our current subscriber count is right here, and we need you to help us boost those numbers. We love making content. We love bringing stuff to you guys. Stay tuned because we do hope to do the Grand Destino Tower Club level. That is on our list. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. But with all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.